AI will not steal your jobs, but ignoring AI definitely will. Machines don't replace people. People who use machines replace those who don't. AI is already writing, editing, designing, and automating work. The question is simple. Will you fight AI or will you learn to use it? Those who adapt will grow. Those who ignore it will fall behind. Subscribe A Money Facts for more learning. Thanks for watching.